semi-final race coming up. This one has Sanjay Seymore of William Nib, the Carifta Games champion this year. It also has the Shane Jervis of Green Island. Or is he not there? No, it doesn't seem as if Jervis is there in lane number 7. And there's the full lineup. Graham Barrett, Harrison, Matherin, Martin, Seymour, Jervis and Malcolm. We'll get a closer look to see exactly who is out there. Nathaniel Martin, the 100 champion, listed for this one as well. Starting lane number 8. That's for Shane Malcolm of Falcons Athletics. No lane number 7. That's where Jervis should have been. Here's the very talented Sanjay Seymore, the Carifta Games champion, twice the champs, Class 1 200 champion. What a talent. Nathaniel Martin, what a win last night in the under-20 boys 100 meters. Hasn't had the chance to represent Jamaica College at champs, but boy, when he got his opportunity last night, he took it. And then from St. Jago, Trey Barrett in lane number 2 with Amario Graham of Shadimont in lane number 1.
Yeah, this will be a good test for Martin, going up against Sanjay Seymore.
I thought you were going to say this will be a good test for Seymore with the 100 champion in the field.
Yeah, Seymore is high quality, you know, but I think Martin last night showed some promise in that 100 meters. I think he would love to get to this 200-meter final.
On your marks.
I wondered if they realized as they came through in the 100 the possibility of Gary Card being selected, meaning they were really running for one spot. And I don't know that Dante Watson and Nathaniel Martin realized that last night based on the way they were celebrating each other's success rather than trying to win the race necessarily in their set positions. Sent on their way. Sanjay Seymore gets away well, but looks very, very comfortable here. Sanjay Seymore leads Martin off the curve. Only the winner guaranteed a place in the final. And Seymore ensuring that he controls the race, and Martin is comfortable behind him. 21:57 is the winning time. Now, has Martin made a mistake there? We'll find out. Probably has run fast enough, but it's a dangerous thing not to go for the win when only one advance automatically.
Yeah, Martin, though, looked comfortable to me, Ricardo. Ran within himself. Knows that he has a spot to Eugene, Oregon. But here, Sanjay Seymore, his quality, a cut above the rest. Carifta Games champion, twice the boys champion. This is better event, as he's shown before, but good running from Martin. Nice, easy sprinting from these two boys. Seymore looking up at the big screen. Bounces through to qualify for the final.
20.63 seconds to win the Carifta Games. That's his personal best. Only needs 21.61 in a negative 3.1 meters per second win to book his spot in the final. Nathaniel Martin at 21.77. You suspect that will be good enough to make it through given the wind conditions that we're having. But sometimes all you need is for the wind to turn around and